Hello viewers, welcome to WebFixer tutorials. Today I'll show you how to create your coming soon page for your website. Navigate to your WebFixer dashboard from your browser, click on your website content, click on your website pages, now you click on create web page using page builder. And this is our web page. We give our web page a name. Now we name our web page a coming soon page. We enter our web page SEO. So I have some predefined text copied in my notepad. I'll just copy and paste for my SEO. Yes. Then you enter a summary for your web page. So this is the summary for my web page. Paste it into the summary content box. My page type set to others, and I'll click on save web page. Now, after saving my web page has been created successfully. What I'll do is go to my page content. So this is my page content. I want to style my coming soon page. First, I'll create a row. Now I select my row and go to my designs here. I'll select a background image for my row. So I click on my background image and click on add picture. So I add picture from my file manager. I already created my coming soon directory. So I click on it and click on add picture. Now this is insert. I want to use this image. Now what next I'll do, I'll go to my dimensions and increase the height of my row to 40. So you can see my row height has been increased. Now to enter content into my row, I create a new content, a write-up content. I'll select my write-up content and make it 25% on the laptop width and also on the tablet width. So leaving it 100% on the mobile. What else I'll do is create another write-up. And this is the second write-up, making this on 50% on the laptop width and also 50% on the tablet width size. Now I'll enter my content into the row already copied. So I paste it into the content box. What I'll do is to increase my heading and clear any format that the text is having. So I'll copy and clear my clear format. So I've cleared my format and increased to heading 1. And let me style my heading 1 text by going to my design and selecting my child item to be heading 1. So I want to increase the text size and change my text to a white color text. So I increase the text size of my heading 1 and also the font. I change the font and also I want to change the text color. So you can see my coming soon has been added. Now, the row still selected. I changed my child item to all items. Now, what I will do next is to go to my space and gap design and use my top margin. And this is my top margin. I increase my top margin by 10. So it has shifted the column of my coming soon. Now, I'll create a new write-up content. And this is the third write-up content, making it 25% to centralize my coming soon. Now I'll create a new content, a write-up content, making this one 16% on the laptop width size. So I'll select 16% on the laptop width and also on the tablet, leaving it 100% on the mobile. Now a new content, a write-up content again, this time selecting this one, making it 66% on the laptop width. So, and also on the tablet, you can see a large container. Now I'll enter content into my second container. Now select, I've copied it into my notepad. So I copy and just paste it, selecting as well to clear the format, any format that has been attached to my text. I'm making this time using the heading 5. So I've selected my heading 5. Now I want to start my heading 5 text by simply going to my designs, selecting my child item to be the heading 5. And you can see my heading 5 selected. And under my basic design, I just want to change the text color and also the font attached to it. So this is the font for my heading 5 text. Now add a new write-up content. Again, I'll centralize my design, making it 16 also, selecting 16%. So you can see, and also 16% on the mobile. Now I'll add a new write-up. This time, the last one, making it 100% on the mobile. We want to add our countdown timer, so I make it 100% on the mobile, the full width, you can see. Now into the write-up content, I create a new row. Now into the row, I create a new content, this time a plugin content. This is where we'll add our write-up countdown timer, making it 100% on the laptop width. So you can see we have selected 100% for our plugin. Now select our plugin to be the countdown plugin. So you can see the countdown plugin has been selected. Now what we'll do is to select edit for our plugin when our coming soon will begin, when our website will fully be up. So I've selected edit. Now let me select also a time. So this is selecting 12 a.m. Selected 12 a.m. Now this is 12 a.m. selected already for our countdown timer. Now let's style our countdown timer by going to our designs and selecting a color for our countdown timer. So you can see our countdown timer has been changed. Let's also change the font of our countdown timer. To centralize our design totally, let's select our row. So I'm making the design centralized from the row. I've selected the row. You can see the red dotted line around the row. Now I'll go to my alignment and set my alignment to the center. So you see all our items has been centralized on the row. Now what I'll do next is to see my page is just to save changes. After saving changes, click on close. So you see our countdown timer. But before I go to the browser view, what I'll do next is to go to my settings and remove my show header. I don't want header to show for my coming soon page. So I've unchecked my show header, click on update web page. Now we'll go back to details and let's see our browser view. So you can see our coming soon page has been created. Our coming soon page has been created also with the countdown timer for our coming soon page, which has been created successfully. Now I've come to an end of section on how to create a coming soon page for your website page. Please watch our other videos on how to manage your website on our web fixer platform. Thank you and see you soon.